Following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police Department of the District of Columbia. At 8:32 p.m., several unknown individuals have entered the D.C. stage on 5th and Sycamore Avenue in downtown Washington, D.C. and have begun a shooting spree. The president has been shot an unknown amount of times in his chest, as well as many other people in the audience. From our witness reports, the individuals had assault rifles and threw several smoke grenades into the stage, then began a second round at fire before leaving to the backstage. Currently, a county-wide manhunt is being issued to look for these individuals. These men are very dangerous. Limited information is known, but they were reported as several Asian men wearing black clothing, possibly suits, and were last seen roaming the downtown metropolitan area. The cause for this attack is currently unknown at this time. Several large explosions were also reported throughout the city and has caused damage to residential homes in the area. We advise everyone in Washington, D.C. to seek a shelter and to lock all doors and windows as the manhunt is taking place, to look for these people. This is a very dangerous situation, and you should take serious and appropriate action to ensure the protection of life and property. Stay tuned to this station for media outlets on this situation.